Okay, so this video is probably a complete waste of your time, but I just need to say this, okay? Because this is getting, like, really ridiculous now, and I am very lost. Okay, so Tech House tweeted a few days ago that the single and the continuation was GUI. So that's rumored, okay? The new video that Gaga is making is rumored to be GUI. It is also rumored to be Venus, because now, I don't know if you guys have all seen the video of Gaga, but apparently today there's a video that's floating around on Instagram somewhere, and it's of Gaga, and she was swimming in the Neptune pool today, and Venus was playing in the background. So, yeah. It's rumored to be Venus, GUI, or people are hearing that it's Mary Jane Holland. Which, I don't even know how you can get Mary Jane Holland from, like, the pictures of the set that we have gotten, right? Like, all the video, all the pictures of Gaga on the set of making this video. Like, I don't know how you can get Mary Jane Holland from that. So, like, I was just, okay, like, 10 minutes ago, I found this all out, right? And, like, I started laughing so much because we've heard, like, so many freaking rumors, and, like, oh my god, like, this video is not going to be long at all, but I'm just going to end it with, like, I'm freaking confused, and I'm lost, and now I don't know what to think of the new video. I just don't know what it could be now. And yeah, so I'm sorry if this video was a complete waste of your time, but I just had to, like, make it because I find this situation really funny right now. Oh my god. So yeah. Bye, guys.